Need to update the email address linked to your Western Union account? Keeping your contact information current is essential for receiving notifications and managing your account. In this guide, I'll show you how to generally change your email address in Western Union. To change your email address, log in to your Western Union online account, navigate to your Profile, Account Settings, or Personal Information section. Look for the field where your email address is listed. There should be an Edit or Change option next to your email address. You'll then enter your new email address. For security purposes, Western Union will likely require you to verify this change. Finally, follow the verification steps. This often involves Western Union sending a confirmation code to your new email address that you'll need to enter back on their site, or a link to click. Once verified, your email address will be updated for all future communications. And there you have it. Changing your email address in Western Union is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.